Hello there, Happy New Year. I hope you've had a wonderful break over Christmas and you're looking forward to a happy, safe and successful 2025. We'll start this week with some excellent news. 17 sixth form students have been awarded grades for the extended project qualification. This is an independent project where students choose a topic they want to explore and then plan and conduct the research needed to complete the project. They also have to present their findings to a critical audience, so it's quite a challenging qualification. The EPQ is worth half an A level and it's looked upon favourably by universities as it develops research and analysis skills and prepares students for writing dissertations and theses. Of the 17 entries, we had 8 A-star grades, 7 A grades and 2 B grades. An amazing achievement, and congratulations to Owen Holtby, Harry Caffel, Morgan Camp, Declan Dalton, Fletcher Harter, Lucy Anna Harvey, Lily Hebden, Rebecca Marlowe, Evan Ottery, Anna Safo Adu, Elliot Schreier, Zachary Slater, Amy Travers, Ruby Watkins, Nancy Hollett, Howard Ngan, Daisy Higgins. I also want to thank EPQ coordinator Sonny Larico, Nikki Kiss and Pablo Ardiles for supporting the students through this EPQ course. Our Year 8 students have been learning about speed in their science lessons. The lessons included looking at speed limits and why they're put in place. Students in 8M here surveyed some local roads to investigate speed limits in place and try and work out why particular roads were given those limits. They discussed why slower speeds will be needed during these freezing temperatures that we've enjoyed this week. Our Year 7 ICT students are learning all about augmented reality. This is where we superimpose a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world via either a smartphone or a tablet or a headset. Students have been learning about the different uses of AR and how it's created, and in the coming weeks they'll be creating their own AR app. On Thursday they even helped me choose a new desk via the IKEA AR app. On Friday, our Year 11 GCSE history students visited the East End to learn more about the conditions in Victorian London. Students found out why the Jack the Ripper case was never solved by a walk-in tour led by a local historian. They then visited the Clink Prison Museum to see the reality of various punishments throughout history. This experience will support their unit on crime and punishment in the forthcoming GCSE exams. A very interesting, useful and enjoyable day for all. Thanks to history teacher Tori McNamara for organising this trip. Congratulations to Dan Carter, who's our first Year 11 student to fill 3 Year 11 loyalty cards. As a result, Dan is the first recipient of the prestigious and limited edition Chauncy mug. Students in Year 11 are rewarded for attending additional revision sessions and receive attendance stickers which they can cash in for various rewards. So well done, Dan. News of 2 forthcoming workshops for parents and carers now. Families Feeling Safe are offering a free workshop for parents and carers on All Feelings Matter. This can help parents and carers learn more about why feelings matter to everyone, how feelings, thoughts and behaviour link together, how to recognise physical and emotional feelings including anxiety and anger, ways to support healthy emotional development, the stress response system and the 3-part brain concept. The importance of feelings and the protective behaviours process. If you want to know anything about this course, please visit our social media pages or website for further details. Secondly, we're offering a mental health workshop on Thursday the 13th of February for parents and carers. These workshops have proved very popular in the past, so please email Mrs Wildig via charlotte.wildig@chauncy.org.uk if you'd like to book a place. Don't forget, we've got lots of resources and signposts to additional support for children and families on our wellbeing portal, which can be found on the front page of the school website here. This week's attendance is 93% with a 7% absence. Our attendance target this year is 95%, so please, only stay away from school if you have to, return to school as soon as you're well enough, and report any absence by 8:30 AM on each day of absence using the Edgelink app. We have some patterns of absence that can be easily addressed. For example, some children regularly don't attend school on Fridays. We don't operate a 4-day week at Chauncy, and this equates to 5 hours of missed learning that can't be recovered. Similarly, some children arrive at school after 8:50 AM and many of these children are dropped off late by their parents. A late mark after the register closes is an absence for the entire morning. Also, if students are significantly late to afternoon registration, the late mark records an absence for the whole afternoon. You can check your child's attendance at any time by using the Edgelink app and clicking on the attendance button. We've had an amazing start to the new term, with almost 16,000 Chauncy Awards given out this week. We gave out over 12,000 Bronze Awards, just under 3,000 Silver Awards and 226 Gold Awards, including 13 Year 10 students from Mr Feo's English class who achieved outstanding scores on their Christmas Carol assessment. Time for our sports report now, and congratulations to the under-14 netball team who beat Sandringham School 41-19 in the County Netball League on Thursday evening. A brilliant performance from all the girls, but Libby Munt was the player of the match. This result places Chauncy second in the league with only a few games to go. The top 2 teams will qualify for the semi-finals of the competition. Good luck, girls. Our senior girls netball team were in action on Wednesday and recorded an outstanding win against Presdale School in the County Cup. A close match saw Chauncy win 27-18. The players of the match were Evie Seagust and Bella Shuffield, but the whole team played exceptionally well in this hard-fought victory. Good luck in the next round, girls. On to basketball, and our under-16 side won 66-52 against the Queen's School in the National Cup on Tuesday. An excellent effort from all of the Year 10 and 11 boys who participated. In a week where a lot of outdoor games were cancelled due to frozen pitches, our Year 9 football team booked their place in the semi-finals of the County Cup on Monday. An excellent team performance saw Chauncy beat Verulam School 2-0 with goals from Archie Honor and Emmanuel Adeniyi. A huge well done to all the boys, and we wish them every success in the next round. I'll leave you this week with our Friday sessions artists Aidan Booth, Will Grunbaum, Ben Huntley, Logan Davidson, Oscar Sobh and Lucas Mills performing Uptown Funk in their Year 10 music lesson. Have a great week, keep warm and take care.